For God so loved the world, that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Happy Friday, guys. It is one of the holiest Friday in history, and as we reflect on how good God has been to us, we will dine outside with our family and usher in the Sabbath. So we'll be having a 3-course meal this Sabbath, and I will go ahead and set the table, decorate it as well, and we will be feasting right outside and welcoming the Sabbath. This is how I set the table for Sabbath, simple and beautiful. Now I will get all my dishes and place them on the table. The table has been beautifully set, and these are our homemade meal. First we have soup, then we have some Escovitch fish, along with some traditional Easter bun and cheese, then some callaloo loaf, then our Escovitch fish sauce, our whole wheat bread, and some freshly baked Coco bread. Now Jesus was risen early the first day of the week, and he appeared to Mary Magdalene, out of whom he cast 7 devils. Blessed are you, O Lord our God, King of the universe, who bring forth food to the land. Amen. This is our first meal, and it is our appetizer, and it's just a simple chicken and pumpkin soup. Now we'll be having Escovitch fish as our main course with some bread. Along with our main course, we'll be having some homemade carrot juice. And as I reflect on this week's Sabbath School's lesson, waiting in God's Sabbath rest, let us reflect on why God has been good to us and why we need to rest. Remember that Jesus said, "Come to me, all ye are labor and heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me. For I am meek and lowly in heart, and he shall find rest in your soul." Cheers to another beautiful Sabbath. This is our dessert, and we'll be having traditional bun and cheese that is served during this time. And I do not consume cheese, so I'll be having mine with some homemade vegan ice cream. As for the new heaven and the new earth, which I will make, shall remain before me, saith the Lord. So shall your seed and your name remain. And it shall come to pass that from one new moon to another, from one Sabbath to another, shall all flesh come to worship before me, saith the Lord. The Lord bless thee and keep thee. The Lord make his face shine upon thee and be gracious unto thee. The Lord lift up his countenance upon thee and give thee peace. From my family to yours, have a blessed Sabbath.